Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Salton Slim Induction Cooktop. Instruction manual. And here's the magnet. Induction cookware tester. This is what it looks like, a nice dark black color with a solid crystal glass top. When it comes to cleaning, this surface makes it very easy. This has a slim and sleek design. This is only 1.25 inches thick. Now on the back side, here is the cooling fan. This model is 1500 watts and is 120 volts. On the sides, here and here are cooling vents. This induction cooktop only works with ferromagnetic pots and pans. Here I have a pot. It has an indicator saying that it will work with induction. So it will work with this cooktop. If you don't have this indicator, another easy way to find out if your pots and pan will work for this cooktop is by using this magnet. If it sticks, that means it's ferromagnetic and it will work with this induction or any induction cooktop. I'm now going to fill my pot to about 1.5 liters. I'm going to plug this in. Before we begin, you must place the pot on, or else you will get an error code if you turn this on. Right now the system is blinking red, that means it's off. To turn it on, press this. Now you press mode to actually turn it on. Now you can change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. Now if we take this off, we get an error code, E1. Put it back on and now it's back to normal. There's parental controls, parental lock, and hold 5 seconds to turn it off. And there's a cooking timer. Goes from 1 minute to up to 3 hours. And it will automatically shut off when the time is reached. And press that again to turn it off. Very easy to use. Now let's do a quick test. Let's see how fast the water can boil. Ready? So this took about 7 minutes to fully boil 1.5 liters of water. Not as fast as I thought it would be, but it's only 1500 watts. Can't expect too much.